Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I've got a new pair of wireless headphones to show you all. They were launched recently by Sony and are made exclusively for bass lovers. It's a brand new product in the company's extra bass series and the model is called XB700. They're a premium wireless headphones that come with some awesome features for the price point. So in this video, I'm gonna unbox it and give my full review on the product. The XB700 come in this sort of box packing. We've got the Sony branding at the top and the model number below that. As I've told you just now, these headphones are from the Extra Bass series and are designed to offer deep punchy bass. I'm pretty excited to check out the sound quality. And also one more awesome feature is these headphones have built-in Google Assistant as well as Alexa voice assistant. Like how cool is that? And the best part about the headphones is its battery life. One charge of these headphones offers you around 30 hours of continuous non-stop music playtime. That's awesome, right? Can't wait to unbox and check it out. Okay, let's see what else is written on the box packing. So at the back side, we've got the list of all the features of the product. Let me show them to you. The company says that these headphones produce deep punchy bass with clear vocals. Well, we'll have to see about that. These wireless headphones have a built-in mic and support hands-free calling. They even have quick charge support, offer an insane music playtime of around 30 hours, has built-in Google Assistant as well as Alexa, supports Type-C cable and can also be used in wired mode. So those are all of its highlights. Talking about the colors, it comes in two variants. We've got the standard black color model. So that's it, that was our overview on the box packing. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the box. I want to thank Sony for sending me this product for review. Okay, let's just remove this out of packing. There we go. By the way guys, I told you right, this product comes in two colors, black and blue. We've got the black color variant. So these headphones support Bluetooth V4.2 and are compatible with all sorts of devices. The outer cover slides out like this and we've got another black box on the inside. Let's open the box and finally check out the headphones. So here they are, the XB700 Extra Bass headphones from Sony. They come nicely packed like this and looks like on the left side we've got some info regarding Sony's Headphone Connect app. You can install that app on your phone and fully customize the sound and the EQ settings. Let me just take them out of the box and show you. So this is how the Sony's XB700 look like. Wow, they've got a beautiful matte black finish and look very nice from my first impressions. They're also quite lightweight, weigh only around 195 grams. So before I show them to you in detail, let me also show you the other stuff which we get in the box. You get a lot of paperwork which includes a Google Assistant tutorial, a user manual and a product reference guide. Just make sure to read them for all the info. Along with that, you get a USB Type-C cable for charging the headphones and a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable so you can even use these headphones in wired mode. That's it, these were all the items we got in the package. Now let me finally show you the XB700. So here they are guys, we have the matte black variant, it also comes in blue color. From my first impressions, I have to tell the build quality looks very nice. It's got this beautiful matte finish all over the headphones and has a simple, sleek and minimalistic design. The body is entirely made of high quality plastic with metal frame on the inside. We've got the Sony branding on both the sides of the headband and that's it, there's nothing else written on it. Let me just give you a closer look at it and show you all of its buttons and features. Along with Bluetooth, they also have NFC support for quick one-touch instant connectivity. Talking about the ear cups can be swiveled or even tilted like this to offer you the most comfortable desired position while listening. Now let me tell you about the cushioning. The cushioning on the ear cups is very soft and spongy. Looks like Sony has used memory foam here to offer you maximum comfort for long time usage. Okay, now let me show you the buttons and the ports. On the right ear cup, you've got a volume up, media play pause and volume down. The quality of the buttons is nice, feel tactile and clicky. There's nothing else over here, let's check out the other ear cup. Over here you got a dedicated custom button to access the voice assistant, a power on off button and a power status LED in between them. Going down there's a Type-C port for charging the headphones, a 3.5mm aux port and also a microphone. So those are all the available ports and buttons on it. The quality of the headband is also nice, it's got a solid metal frame on the inside and can be easily extended like this to fit almost any desired head size. The headband also has nice cushioning, let me show you. As you can see, it's got soft spongy foam on the bottom side to offer you the best possible comfort. Well, that was a look at the design and the build quality. Now let me just pair it with my phone, put them on and tell you about the comfort and the audio quality. The Sony's XB700 wireless headphones have an ergonomic design and feel really comfortable for long time usage. The ear cups don't entirely cover my ears, they just sit on the top. The noise isolation is also good. Now let me tell you about the audio quality. The audio quality was amazing for the price point. I was really impressed by the sound quality. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals sounded warm and mellow, all thanks to those 30mm neodymium drivers. Even while watching movies, I could easily understand the dialogues. It's got a frequency response range from 20Hz to 20kHz in the Bluetooth mode, and the high frequency response was fine. It was producing decent quality treble without any harshness. And coming to the bass, this is where these headphones shine. The XB700 offer amazingly good thumping bass. The low frequency response was very nice on these headphones. It was producing deep and punchy bass. If you're a bass lover, you're definitely going to love them. One more thing I'd like to mention is, even though the bass was punchy and powerful, it was not overwhelming the other frequencies. And usually headphones with high bass tend to create headaches while listening for a long time. But on my usage with these headphones, I faced no such problem. What Sony has done is, Sony has provided air ducts on top of the ear cups, which release the pressure inside and keep your head light. Also, the frequency separation was really good, and the sound stage was also very wide. In fact, by using Sony's Headphone Connect app on your phone, you can apply a lot of different sound settings and EQs, like you've got surround sound effects, clear bass, sound position control and more. Not only that, it even supports Qualcomm's aptX codec and digital sound enhancement engine to offer you the highest quality music. Also, since the headphones support aptX codec, the latency on it is very less. That means while watching movies or playing high-speed action games, you won't face any delays or lags between the video and the audio. The TRHD was quite less up to 85% volume level, beyond which you could feel slight distortion in the sound, and the audio output was also loud and satisfactory. On the overall, these are one of the best sounding wireless headphones I've used under 10,000 rupees. And what sets them apart from the competition is, they also have built-in support for Google Assistant as well as Alexa. You can choose between any of them from the Sony's app. It's a very useful feature on headphones, guys. Just press the custom button at any time and ask any sort of question or ask it to play some song, and the assistant will do that for you without the need of touching your phone. It's super convenient and I really use it almost all the time. Okay, now coming to the battery life on the XB700 is absolutely nuts. Like seriously, I've tested a lot of Bluetooth headphones in this price range and this one offers the highest. On an average, while listening to music at 75% volume level, I was getting around 28 to 30 hours of continuous music playtime. That means if you use these headphones for 1 hour daily, you can survive up to 1 month without the need of charging. Plus, these headphones also support quick charging feature. A 10-minute charge offers you up to 90 minutes of music playtime. It's a feature-packed wireless headphones from Sony. Well, that was it for today, guys. That was my video on Sony's brand new extra bass series WH-XB700 wireless headphones. They are one of the best wireless headphones I've used under 10,000 rupees. The build quality is nice, feel very comfortable while using, has built-in Google Assistant, and I really love the audio quality on these headphones. It's great for bass lovers. But the only thing I felt was the ear cups were generating a lot of heat and was getting sweaty on the inside after using for about 40 to 50 minutes. Maybe that was because of the summer heat. If you use them in cold places or air-conditioned rooms, you won't face much problem. And also one more thing I felt was, the company could have provided a carry case along with the headphones. That would have been very nice. Alright then guys, I'll wrap it up over here. These headphones cost about 8,990 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.